Hi, my name is Valentin. I'm a data scientist for Mediaan, and today we're going to talk about the history of artificial intelligence. Nowadays, it's impossible to avoid the topics. AI is in the news, it's in the business room, it's also in your pocket. AI has been affecting many parts of our lives, which might make us forget that this is not a new technology. But exactly how far along did it start? Let me take you on a journey. First stop, 17th century. In the 17th century, philosophers like Hobbes, Leibniz, and Descartes were proposing the idea that every form of reasoning could be transposed into computations as though they would be performed by a machine. This meant that one could build a machine that would be able to perform tasks like the human brain. Seems crazy, right? But if you think about it, this is what artificial intelligence is all about. And at the time, they did not only come up with a concept and theory behind this. That's also when the first computational machines were built. The calculators. In the 1800s, as the Industrial Revolution ended and engineering technology became more advanced, building machines became more of a reality for everyone. This is probably why artificial intelligence started to appear more and more in books and movies. But it wasn't portrayed in such a positive way. I'm sure we've all heard of Frankenstein. Let's just say that AI didn't really have a good PR. A few decades later, a guy named Alan Turing came along. His work on computers, computer science, helped break the code used by the German army during World War II. This meant that modern-day computers were not only a reality, it showed that we didn't have to be scared of them anymore. They could be used for good. Thanks for listening. Watch out for the next video where we'll continue our journey through the history of artificial intelligence.